Hey everyone, my name is Lee. I'm with Zelter. I'm the guy who created this here Zelter Shelter. It's a unique new concept and personal shelter. It's a you can wear it like a poncho. You turn it into a tent. It's an inflatable one-person tent. You can also spread it out and use it as a waterproof tarp. It's a very versatile, unique, and effective piece of kit. There's no gimmick. Anyway, I see people wearing it these days, and they're wearing it a bit funny. Maybe it's a bit of things you have to think about. I don't know. I thought I'd just do this quick one here to demonstrate, show you how to wear it. Anyway, Zelter Shelter comes in this nice high-quality dry bag. All the instructions are printed right on here. If you follow this thing step by step, it'll tell you the whole story, so just pay close attention. Put a lot of effort into drawing that. So just open her up, pull it out, snap the loops off. It all just bundles itself into one piece. It's very nice. Anyway, so just unroll it. When you're putting it on, all you got to do is find the hood. So just unroll it, look for the hood. Just drapes over your body like so. Now, if you reach behind yourself, you'll find there's going to be a hook somewhere here at appropriate height. There it is. You just tuck the material under your front, find the hook, hook it around here. Go looking for the hook on the other side. There it is. Tuck the material under your front, pull it across. That way it's all secured. It's a wearable mode. Not too bad, not too easy. It might take a couple practice tries, but once you get it, you get it. It's quite easy. Anyway, my name is Lee from Zelter. I'm wearing a Zelter Shelter. You can contact me with any questions through the usual social media channels. I'm on Instagram at zelter.shelter. I have a YouTube channel. If you search Zelter Shelter, you'll find that. Facebook as well. I hope you've enjoyed this. Drop me a line. Let me know what you think.